To enable ransomware protection in Windows 11 computer, go to Search and type Windows Security. Now click on Windows Security. In left pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down. Here you will find ransomware protection, and you will find also an option Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on it. Controlled folder access. Protect files, folders, and memory areas on your device from unauthorized changes by unfriendly applications. By default, it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now click on Yes. Ransomware threat protection is turned on in my Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.